In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install an SSL certificate in cPanel. If you want your website to load securely over HTTPS, this is an important step. An SSL certificate helps protect data between your site and your visitors, and it also builds trust by showing that secure connection in the browser. In cPanel, there are usually two common ways to set this up: using a free SSL certificate that can be installed automatically, or installing a paid SSL certificate manually. To get started, log into your cPanel account. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to look through the main sections until you find security. This is where cPanel places the tools related to certificates and secure connections. If you want to use a free certificate, go ahead and click SSL TLS status. On this page, you'll usually see the domains and subdomains associated with your hosting account, along with their current SSL status. Look for the option labeled Run Auto SSL and click it. This tells cPanel to automatically generate and install a free SSL certificate for eligible domains. After you start the process, give it a little time to complete. In many cases, the certificate is installed without any manual configuration, which makes this the fastest and easiest option for most websites. If you're using a paid SSL certificate instead, return to the security section and click SSL TLS. From there, select the option called Install and Manage SSL for your site, or HTTPS. This is the area where you manually install the certificate files provided by your SSL vendor. Now paste your CRT certificate into the certificate field, and then paste your private key into the correct field as well. Be careful here and make sure each certificate is placed in the right box, since even a small formatting mistake can prevent the installation from working properly. Once everything is entered correctly, click Install Certificate. After the installation finishes, your SSL certificate should be active on the selected domain. At that point, your site can begin serving pages securely over HTTPS. If needed, it's a good idea to verify that the